NCERT Science Class 6 Chapter 6 Changes Around Us. Now let us get into the chapter. How do we differentiate the changes around us? A change around us could be differentiated as reversible and irreversible changes. Some changes could be brought back again. Say, for example, we take boiled egg, and if you want to bring back the raw egg, you cannot do that. Take idlis and you want the batter back, that you cannot do. But when we heat an ice cube, it becomes melted ice, and when we chill a melted ice, it becomes a ice cube. So now this ice cube is a reversible change, while the other two are irreversible change. Let us, for example, take a few tools that we use regularly, like the hammer, the axe, and so on. Here in these tools, you have iron blades to which wooden handle is being fixed. Now, the blade will have a ring in it. The ring is much smaller than the wooden handle. Why it is so small is that we want the handle to be fixed very tightly. Now, how will you place the handle inside the ring? The ring is very small. In that case, what we do is that we heat up the blade, iron blade. Now, what happens? The ring expands due to heat. So, once a ring becomes bigger, we place the handle inside the ring and start to chill the blade. Now it contracts and the handle gets fixed very easily into the blade. In a previous example, we saw the wooden handle being fixed to a iron blade. Now, in bullock carts, we find wooden wheels are there. On top of it, there are iron ring. This also uses the same technique. While heating up the iron ring, it expands and becomes bigger. Then it is placed on the wheel, and then when it chills down, it contracts. Same way with water. Now, what happens is that when you take a pan of water and start boiling it for a longer time, the water evaporates into water vapor. When you place a chilled plate near the water vapor, it reverses back into water. So, all these changes are reversible changes. Now, for example, take another example, ice cubes, which we told earlier. So it when heated up, it becomes water, and when you chill down, it becomes ice cube again. So it is a reversible change. Now, candle burning, the wax in the candle, it melts, and when you chill it down, it becomes the wax again. So this is also a reversible change. Now, what are the irreversible changes? Say, for example, the incense stick, if you're going to take it and start burning it, it turns into ashes and smoke. The smoke is nothing but the fragrance. Now, can you reverse it back? No, it is an irreversible change. You cannot reverse it back. Another example is that when we take few drops of curd, mix it with a glass of milk and place it for few hours, the whole glass of milk changes into curd, and it is a irreversible change. Take a spoon of salt, dissolve it in water. Is that an irreversible change? No, here it is a reversible change, because when you evaporate the water, the salt settles down. So, based on the reversible and irreversible change, also you can determine the property of a material and you can group them together. Class 6, Chapter 6, Changes Around Us is completed. It's a very small lesson. Hope you understood it well. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet in the next chapter.